شاب أخبر أخته أن تمثل بأن عمياء لكي يكسبوا $1000 أو $100,000.
Man. Hi guys, this is my sister Emily. She's 10 years old. I just feel like we would do really good with this money because it's obviously for my sister. Oh, close your mouth. There you go. Sorry. Sometimes. Hey guys, sorry. This is my blind sister Emily. She is 10 years old. Oh, the camera's this way. We think that this would be very good for her and our family because obviously whatever cure there can be to help my sister. No, it's not funny. It's okay. Whatever cure there can be to help our sister have her eyesight back would be absolutely amazing, or at least anything to just help her get back.
هي راه ممثلة صاحبي، سمعت $100,000 يعني $100,000 حسبوها الإخوان، $100,000 حسبوها وردوا عليها. مش الحول، أنا الحول عيني بالك.